Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Today I will take examples based on area enclosed between two curves. Okay, the example is find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y equal to x square and the line y equal to mod x is mentioned. And last class we discussed the construction of the parabola y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax, okay, y square equal to x square equal to 4ay and x square equal to minus 4ay. Correct. You know that if it is y square equal to 4x, it opens rightward, y square equal to minus 4x leftward, x square equal to 4ay means upward, x square equal to minus 4ay means downward. Already we studied using first year. And 4a is constant. Suppose if they mentioned y square equal to x or y square equal to minus x or x square equal to y, x square equal to minus y, means it is understood that it is cylinder. Okay, using this concept. Now, first I will take the parabola, later onwards I will take the modulus function. Okay, solution. Given x square equal to y, okay, y square equal to y equal to x square or x square equal to y, and the line mentioned y equal to mod x, and we know that if it is x square equal to y means curve opens upward direction, curve opens upward direction, but here point of intersections are not mentioned, therefore we have to calculate. But there is a condition of mod x. We know that mod x is x condition, x greater than or equal to 0, minus x less than 0. Means naturally how many number of points are exist here? 2 points. Okay. Next, y equal to x means the condition is x should be greater than 0. Y equal to x. In that case, given x square equal to y, all this is equation 1. Put y equal to x in equation 1. Substitute. Get x square equal to x. X square minus x equal to 0. Take x common, x minus 1 is 0. Means either x is 0 or x is 1. Means next, we know that value of x, but we have to calculate value of y. Y equal to x means if x is 0, the value of y is 0. If x is 1, what is the value of y? Y is 1. Therefore, point of intersections are 0, 0, and another one is 1, 1. Okay, this is 0. Okay, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. It is x axis and it is y axis. Okay, if x is 0, y is 0, and another point I will take 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Point of intersections are, one is x is 0, another one is x is 0, y is 0, x is 1, y is 1, means something will exist, means the straight line y equal to mod x condition x greater than 0. This is the straight line. Okay, and next calculation, if x less than 0, next calculation is if x less than 0. Less than 0 means it is minus x. But less than 0 means minus x. In this case, put y equal to minus x in equation 1. We get x square equal to minus x. Means x square plus x is equal to 0. Take x common, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Means either x is 0 or x plus 1 is 0. Means x is 0 or x is minus 1. Next, if x is 0, what is the value of 1? Y is what? Minus x, y is 0. Therefore, point of intersections are 0, 0. Next, if x is what? Minus 1, then y is minus x, minus 1, minus 1, y is plus 1. Therefore, point of intersections are minus 1, 1. If points are not mentioned, in that case we have to calculate. Means if x is 0, y is 0. Another one, if x is minus 1, y is 1. Somewhere here it means the straight line is this. And this is y equal to mod x condition x is 0. Okay. And we have to calculate the reason of this. And it is bounded by which axis? X axis. Okay, bounded by x axis. Okay, if it is bounded by x axis, the limit is very strong. One is minus 1 to 0, another one is 0 to 1. But see, both are in the what? Same figure. Means naturally area is also similar. Therefore, instead of taking minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, we can take 2 times the integration of 0 to 1, so that we can easily calculate. And next, see the area of the parabola. This is the area of the parabola. And this area is smaller than the area of the straight line. See, the area of the straight line is this complete. This one is area of the straight line. See, area of the straight line is more than the area of the parabola. Therefore, we have to take first area of the straight line, next area of the parabola. Okay. And you can say this is O, A, B, C. Okay. The area of O, A, B, C, O equal to 2 times. Okay. Better I write O, A, B, C, O. Okay, no problem. I will write directly. Area of OABCO equal to 2 times integration of 0 to 1 y dx. How I will tell you. See, this reason part and this part is similar. Instead of taking minus 1 to 0, to avoid that one, I have taken here x varies from 0 to 1. So this is 0 and it is 1. See, this area and this area is similar. Therefore, we can take 2 times. Okay. Next, it is 2 times integration of 0 to 1. Here, in this area, the straight line is positive. Therefore, I will take x. Okay. Minus parabola area is x square. X minus x square dx. Okay. Next, it is 2 times integration of x square by 2, x square is 2 by 3, between the limit 0 to 1, up to 2 times upper limit 1 square 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, and lower limit 0, 0 into anything is 0, and we get it is 2 times, take the LCM 3 minus 2 by 6, 2 ones are 2 3s are 1 by 3 square units. This is the area how we can calculate if it is mentioned. And such type of example is given in the exam for 3 marks. Next. Next example is sketch the graph. Sketch the graph. Sketch the graph of y equal to modulus of x plus 3. Y equal to mod of x plus 3 and evaluate the area under the curve. Area under the curve y equal to mod x plus 3 above x axis. Above x axis between x is equal to minus 6 to x is 0. X is minus 6 to x is 0. This is the given example, and we know that the solution y equal to modulus of x plus 3, and this can be written as the condition x plus 3. See, this is, we are taking the points x plus 3 equal to 0 means we are analyzing everything at x equal to minus 3, means x plus 3 exists if x should be greater than minus 3. Correct? If x equal to minus 3, if we substitute x is minus 3 plus 3, what we get is 0. In x less than minus 3. If I substitute x is less than minus 3, means minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, if we substitute, we get this. What it is? Minus 12. The same condition what we have done here. Mod x is x condition, x greater than 0. Here points are not mentioned, therefore we are taking 0. Here point is already mentioned plus 3, therefore we are taking x equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3, x less than minus 3, x more than minus 3. And already the point is mentioned and mentioned in the drawing, rough sketch diagram. And given some is this is 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, x axis, and this y axis. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Okay. See, here mentioned at x equal to minus 3. At x equal to minus 3 it is 0. Means if x is minus 3, please concentrate. If x is minus 3, it is 0. Okay. X is more than minus 3. Are you understood? X is more than minus 3. Means we have to take minus 2, minus 2, minus 1. In that case, what is the value? The value should be what is given already. The point is 3. Okay. If you take what it is more than minus 3 and x is less than minus 3. X is less than minus 3. We get it is what it is minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. If I substitute here minus 6, please concentrate. If I substitute minus 6 here, minus 6 plus 3, what will get it is? What will it is? Minus 3. Minus of minus, what will get it is? Plus 3. Therefore, something here exists. And if we substitute here x is 0, what will get it is? If we substitute 0, it is 3. Are you understood? If I substitute here x is 0, please concentrate. If I substitute x is 0, this is y equal to x plus 3. Okay, now we want to point here. If I substitute x is 0, what is the value of y? Y is 0 plus 3. What is the value of y? Y is 3. Means the point of intersection if x is 0, y is 3. This is the condition of here. Next, point is mentioned, that's why that point we are taking. Last point is mentioned here at x equal to minus 6. Correct? Here substitute minus 6. Minus 6 means it is less than minus 3. Minus 6 means it is less than minus 3. That one we have to substitute. Minus of minus 6 plus 3. You get minus of minus 3. Minus of minus 3 means plus 3. Means at x equal to minus 6, The value of y is 3. This is the point. Therefore, the parabola exists like this. The parabola exists like this. Using this. Understood or not? And we have to calculate the area of this region. This is the rough sketch of the graph of the function. You can say that this is A, B, C, D, O. Okay. And see, this area and this area is similar. Okay. Next, calculate. Area is equal to area what ABC plus area of CDO. 6. Here it is bounded by x-axis and it is very strong. X minus 6 to minus 3 and here x very strong minus 3 to correct. But we have to take here separate. Why? Because we are using the modulus function. And here area of ABC very strong minus 6 to minus 3. Therefore, we are taking it is minus 6 to minus 3 y dx. Right. And it is minus 3 to 0. Minus 3 to 0 y dx. Right. But see here minus 6 to minus 3, the modulus function is minus. Therefore, we are taking it is minus of x plus 3 dx. Did you understand? See, there is a condition mod of x plus 3. Condition is what? X plus 3 condition. X greater than or equal to minus 3. Minus of x plus 3. Condition is x less than minus 3. Means minus 6 is less than minus 3. Therefore, we are taking this one. Minus 3 to 0. Minus 3 to 0 means it is more. More than. Means we are taking it is x plus 3 dx. Okay. Please try to understand. Minus 6 to minus 3, it is less than minus 3. Why? Minus 6 is less than minus 3. 0. 0 is less than, 0 is more than minus 3. That's why we are taking this is positive, this is negative. Next you apply minus integration. X square by 2 plus 3x. Minus 6 to minus 3 plus x square by 2 plus 3x. Apply minus 3 to 0. Simplify. Upper limit and lower limit. We will get the answer is 9 square cubes. In this way, we can calculate this type of example.